In today's quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to lock apps on your new iPhone. Before we get started, just make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version so you can use this feature. It's a quick and easy way to keep your apps safe and private, so let's begin. First, find the app you want to lock. Let's start with Instagram. Tap and hold the icon until the menu pops up. In the menu, tap Require Face ID. Confirm it and you're all set. From now on, whenever you open Instagram, it will ask for verification before letting you in. Let's do the same for WhatsApp. Hold the app icon, tap Require Face ID and confirm it. Finally, lock the Photos app the same way. And that's it. You can use this method to secure any app on your iPhone. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.